That's a trash can out there. Thought it was a part of a bumper. But here's our water. It is now over the first 2 steps. So we are taking on water in a pretty good amount of time. My phone's been acting up, so I haven't really been able to close. You can see the water all the way down there. So the wakes were hitting the wall before, and that step was not underwater there, and it is now. The first step is about 2 inches underwater. Hey, Miss Judy! Here's my neighbors and patients. You're gonna be on Facebook later. Oh, you fishing? Oh, are you catching anything? No flounder? Nope. Not yet. All right. If you find some flounder, hold on. We'll grill them tomorrow. I might have to wait over to your house tonight to stay there. Be safe. So there's down 3rd Street. Of course, I'm going to pull my phone in there because it's getting a little wet, but that's down 3rd Street. That's a trash can. I don't see my Wilson board anywhere. But you can see down here, this is the water. Holy moly. It is only about, I don't know, 1.5 feet from coming up onto my, here's my foot. But it's not that far. This could be like a sneaky little darn, I gotta worry about my office. But anyway, things are settling down there a little bit. This actually come up a little bit more. And all right, that's the update here at about 4:30, I guess it is. And shoopers, creekers, and the high tide is not even in yet. So, all right, that's it from here.